Review of Young Man's Diary. Young Man's Diary by London-based Hamza Shahzad Lodhi is an exceptional work that deals with an array of topics, ranging from social and political issues to family matters and broken family issues. This book is a collection of personal experiences and observations of the author, and it is evident that the author has a profound understanding of the issues that he discusses. The book is written in a conversational style, and the author's writing is very easy to read. The book is divided into several sections, each covering a different topic. The author begins by discussing his personal struggles, including issues with anxiety and depression, and then moves on to discuss more complex topics such as social and political issues. He provides insight into the challenges that the youth face in today's society, and he also offers suggestions for how to overcome these challenges. In addition to discussing social and political issues, the author also delves into family matters and crisis management. He shares his personal experiences and offers advice on how to navigate difficult situations. The author's insights are thoughtful and thought-provoking, and his writing style is engaging and relatable. The book is not all about serious topics, however. The author's poetry is also a highlight of the book. The poetry is raw and emotional, and it offers a glimpse into the author's innermost thoughts and feelings. The poetry is also very relatable, and readers will find themselves connecting with the author's words on a personal level. Overall, Young Man's Diary is an excellent book that offers valuable insights into a range of issues that are relevant to today's youth. The author's writing style is engaging, and his insights are thought-provoking. The book is highly recommended for anyone who is looking for a thought-provoking read that is both entertaining and informative. It is worth mentioning that Hamza Shahzad Lodhi comes from a family of distinguished scholars, poets, and researchers, including his mother, Shagufta Lodhi, who is well known for her work in Punjabi, Urdu, and English.